Hi guys, if you are thinking about signing up for Wix.com to build your very own website but are unsure which of their packages best fit your need, you are going to want to watch this video. I have been using Wix for a while now to create and host my website, and in this video I will tell you absolutely everything you need to know about their pricing and what each of their plans covers. Wix has a range of packages from free to premier up to enterprises plan designed for large scale businesses. But before we get started, if at any point while watching you decide you want to try any of these Wix plan, I have put a discount link in the video description below that will save you some money on your monthly hosting bill. Now let's kick things off with the free option. With this, you can create a website that comes with a Wix domain. It's perfect for personal use or testing the waters. But it does come with Wix branding and has limitation on branding building your brand. But for a more professional look, you might want to consider the premier plan. Moving on to the website plan, we have four options to choose from. The VIP plan at $24.15 a month provides a free domain for 1 year, removes Wix branding, and gives you unlimited bandwidth and 35 gigabits of storage among many other benefits. The unlimited plan, ideal for entrepreneurs and freelancers, is priced at $12.50 a month and offer 10 GB of storage space and 1 hour video. The combo plan, perfect the personal use, is available at $8.50 a month, providing you with 2 GB of bandwidth and 500 megabytes of storage space. Lastly, the more basic plan, connect domain, is $4.50 a month. It's allow a custom domain but display Wix branding. If your site is more business oriented and you need to accept online payment, the business and e-commerce plan are your go-to option. The business VIP plan costs $35 a month and offer 50 gigabits of storage and unlimited video hour along with priority customer care. The business unlimited plan price at $25 a month give you 35 GB of storage and 10 video hour. The business basic plan is $17 a month providing 20 GB of storage and 5 video hour. All these plans offer a free domain for 1 year and remove the Wix branding. For large scale businesses, Wix offers the enterprise plan. It provides a comprehensive range of tailored solutions, including a dedicated account manager, multi-site dashboard, enterprises grade security, and much more to help your business launch exceptional sites faster and more efficiently. The enterprise plan is custom priced and comes with a suite of tools designed for scalability, reliability, and performance. Each Wix plan offers a different range of features to suit various needs. Whatever you are starting email with the personal blog or building a large scale enterprise, Wix has a plan tailored for that. If the price is a concern for you, make sure to click the link in the video description before you sign up at Wix to get yourself a really nice discount.